All right, welcome. So today's question is, can you reserve a category for admin viewing only? And so the question was, for example, if you have listings of professional resources of value to the organization, but not searchable or viewable by the actual members or other users, and they want to know how to do that. So there, you would have to do, if you're doing it, limiting it by category, you definitely would need custom categories. Normally for the membership permissions, it's by a membership level permissions, and so that's a little bit more difficult to do by category. If it has really nothing to do with a category, I wouldn't use the category as the topic that you were trying to restrict. I would actually go make a separate post type that is only viewable by you, the admin. So what you want to do is go to Content, Edit Post Settings, and then find the one that matches what you're trying to do. If it's literally just a list or of stuff, then I would maybe clone the articles. If it's videos or some other type of stuff, I'd clone the videos. But let's just use the articles, for example. What you want to do is just go Edit or Actions and then Clone, and then you're gonna make a new page type for that actual admin only items. So this is the copy of a community article. You can go in here and edit the title, we'll call it admin only stuff. All right, we'll keep it nice and generic, admin only stuff. And so now it's a separate post type, and you can totally control which membership levels can have access to that type. So if you just go back there, now you have admin only stuff, and you want to go to your finance and membership plans, and then it's going to show up when you go to your website administrator. Now it's a new post type, and so nobody's going to have access to that. You go to the post publishing, and now you're going to see admin only. I guess I pluralized it. Admin only stuffs. You want to click there, can post for your admin. Now everybody else, all those other membership levels, i.e., your users and members, will not have that checked, so they will not be able to post, and they will not be able to view. And so it says public for all to view right now. So you're gonna save that as can post, and now you can post to that, so you can add all your content. Obviously, you want to save that. But if you go back to the content edit post settings, you want to change that so that not everybody can see that content. So in additional settings down here at the bottom in the admin only stuff, it says keep visible public for all visitors. Now you don't want that. You want to protect the details, pages, and the search results for those items, and then go ahead and save that. Now what that does is now it is using, because it's protected, it's using those settings that we had just set up for the admin. So now if I go back to the finance and membership plans again to my admin account for the website administrator, you're going to notice it's not going to say viewable by all anymore. It's going to be restricted. So now it's not public for all to view. Now, as the admin, you can post and can view, and now we're going to save that. Now, if we go to any of those other membership levels that you have for your members, they're not going to have either one of those boxes checked, and that's exactly what you want. I'm just going to use the general member account here to demo this, but they're not going to be able to see or post. It's going to be hidden from them, and that's exactly what you wanted to have, is content that you are posting or is made available to you, the admin, that nobody else is able to view or post. Now, that's one way you can do it. The other way you can do that, if there's only certain content in the search results or certain content on the actual page. So, for example, you just had a field in there that you didn't want everybody to see. You wanted them to add maybe you could see as an admin, but you don't want them to actually see, or any other members see that on the front end. I just wanted you to go to the Brilliant Directories Support Center, and in there, just type custom information, hit search. This is the one that's going to come up at the top. It's adding custom information to your member search results. And what this does is it gives you a little snippet of code here. I'm just going to demo it right here. It says it's a PHP call, but it's pretty easy. If user subscription ID equals blank, then show some content. And basically what you have to do is just wrap your content that you do not want to show for any particular subscription levels, or the stuff that you do want to show, for that ID levels in there. And then everybody else, if they are not subscription ID, whatever, they're not going to be able to see that. So that's the way you can hide some of the content. So where do you get that subscription ID number? Again, go back to your particular membership plans and go to members. And you're going to see in those membership plans, finance membership plans, we were just there. You're gonna see the membership plan ID. So now, if you want to only see it as the website administrator, I am going to put membership plan ID 4. So in that code, if user subscription ID equals 4, show this content. And so if you wrap that in that, only you as the admin for the site is going to see the content inside that PHP if call statement. So there's some modification. You can read the page on there. Ask a developer if you don't know how to do that. There's an example of here that you can basically see, hey, if you're an admin, we did this, you'd see this text. Everybody else would see something different or not see it at all, and it's all based on that coding. So that's a second way. So you can either hide or show particular parts of any product, post type, or listing information by subscription level, or, and again, probably the better way to do that is just create a separate post type that is for you, the admin only. Hopefully that helped. Again, that's not exactly what you're asking for the content, but those things I just gave you are two separate ways that is totally within the actual framework and coding of the BD site without actually needing to pay for or do a customization for yourself. So hopefully those two answers can suffice what you're trying to do. Again, category to me is a listing, and a category is just a type of information, and you can totally do that with a post type cloning straight from the BD system.